everybody. We looked in here yesterday and Cheyenne's little puppies are having their eye-opening day, though. I think they all got them wide open now. And these are pretty special little poopers now. These are actually, there's 7 little Christmas girls in this one. And it's funny though, Dreamy has 7 little Christmas boys for everybody too. What's wrong with you, little one? I tell you what, they're gonna be some good looking poopers. Yeah, I wanted to just film the puppies. Her mother's outside, right outside the door though, y'all. Oh, we wanted to see these little girls and boys. There's 2 boys in here too. He said, "Bro, I ain't gonna bark at you." Oh, they coming right along. We got a lonely one out here by himself. They put him in there though. Or her in there most likely. Aww. I just took all of my golden friends for a long walk though after I got all my chores done. I wanted to come in here and put the spotlight on Abby's little 9 golden poopers. They'll be 7 weeks old on Christmas Day too though. So I bet they're gonna be a lot of little Christmas golden girls out there. Yeah, boys, look at the beautiful poopers. Oh, I can't wait though. We've already started warming these. They've already turned 2 weeks old about a day or 2 ago. Though. Okay, y'all, I better go get Mama's in. In just a few minutes. Oh, they're madly looking for Mama's. Say, Mama, you're usually here. What is all the fuss here about? Oh, they are some very precious. Look at that one laying his little head by the speaker though. Oh. Here's your poopers. Oh, my little Christmas poopers. They looking so pretty. Mama, Mama, Mama. 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 Oh, look at that little booker barking. Oh, look at him going, our little girl. She said, "We're Mama mad. Don't get no milk." I better go get Mama in. Look at him. Look at her go. My goodness, y'all. Okay, guys. I just wanted to give y'all a sneak peek at Abby's little golden poopers eye-opening day. I think it was really yesterday, but they all got them wide open now. We just got poopers all over me. Oh, they're gonna be some loving little golden poopers. Oh, little babies though. They're probably about 15 days old today. Look at that one, get up and go, taking it puppy steps. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all. I'm torturing these little puppies. They all want their mamas. Let me go let Mama in, guys. Come on, girls. Cheyenne. Cheyenne. Let's go, girls. Come on, babies. His mother Cheyenne finally got in here, though. Oh, Mama, he playing with those mamas. Look at that, here go, guys. Oh, they're gonna be some beautiful little golden girls and boys in this eater, though. I can tell you, my friends. Okay, guys. Come on, Mama. Mama, where's that Mama milk? The golden girl. I'm just checking everything, making sure everything's right. Oh, that Mama, she's somewhere. I smell her, I see her. they get to open their eyes to that loving mama. Say, roll, mama. Roll, mama. Lay down, babies. Lay down for these little poopers. Lay down, Cheyenne. Cheyenne. Come on, Cheyenne. Lay down, babies. Good girl, babies. Oh, did you get left out, guys? Oh, little pooper. Good girl, babies. Good girl. Good girl, Cheyenne. Okay, guys, I better cut this off. This is Rick with our little Abby and all of our little Christmas puppies. That's right, 7 little Christmas girls in this and 2 little golden boys. She made things even, and then Dreamy's got her 7 boys for Christmas. Y'all have a mighty great day.